what's up? This is Sifu Cuddle, and for this video, we're going to be working with the nunchucks. So grab your chucks and let's get to work. Now, this is going to be a continuation from our first pass that we worked on. So if you know how to do the over-the-shoulder pass, and you can do it with some spins, then you're ready to move on to this next one. If you haven't done this yet, I would suggest checking out that other video first, okay? Otherwise, let's get to work. Now, this particular pass is a similar thing. We're going over the shoulder, but instead of my opposite hand grabbing from the front, I'm going to grab from behind. Now, what this requires is a little more diagonal to go to the back. Okay, so I want to make sure that I don't hit myself in the head. All right, now, as this comes over, I need to make sure that I develop consistency. So this is another one that you can practice with a stick, but I've noticed that it's good to have the flexibility of the chain. Okay, so your hand you place just in the lower back, you'll figure it out. A good way to do this is just to let it, bring it around the body, just let it slowly go over the shoulder and then touch the hand, and you get used to kind of your position. Then you can start bringing it over the shoulder and then tapping the hand. If you can consistently tap your own hand, then you will be able to do this by grabbing it and then going into the next position. So take it nice and easy, bring it over, you can grab it and then you can bring it back, or you can grab it and then return for another pass. Now this one, I always like to do back to back like this, but you can always continue from, start in another position, start spinning it, or you can go to the opposite side. But take it easy when you can do this one. If you can do it slow, you can do it fast. All right, that's it for this tutorial. It's very quick, but if you understand hand passing, those videos are going to be very quick on just knowing where to place the hand and be ready for the nunchuck. Okay, if you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't already, check out my Patreon. I have a lot of Kung-Fu applications and in-depth training on there. I'll leave a link at the end of the video so you can head over from there. Otherwise, drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for other videos, and you can catch me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr. All right? Keep training. Until next time, this is Sifu Cuddle.
Bam! Fist with a foe out.